In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a free WordPress website with the help of free domain and free hosting. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a free WordPress website with the help of Infinity Free Hosting. For this, first search Infinity Free on Google. After that, go to the infinityfree.com website. Then you have to create a new account here. Click on Register Now to create a new account. After that, you have to create a new account with your email address and password. After entering your email address and password, click on Sign Up. Now you have to verify your email address. Verify email address. After logging into the dashboard, you have to create a hosting account. To create a new hosting account, click on Create Account. Then you will see many hosting plans here. To create a free website, click on Create Now for the Infinity Free plan. Here, first enter the domain name. Then you have to select the domain extension. After selecting the domain extension, click on Check Availability. My domain name is available. Select I approve and email consent. Then click on Create Account. My hosting account has been created. To install WordPress on the website, click on the Control Panel option. I approve. Go down. After coming down, you will see Softaculous Apps Installer. Click here to install WordPress on the website. Then you will see many CMS including WordPress here. WordPress is the most popular. We will install WordPress on our website. Select https:// here. Leave this field empty in directory. After this, you will have to give the site name and site description. Then you will have to give the admin username and admin password. After giving all the information, click on Install. Then WordPress will start installing. Now if we try to go to the website, it will not come. The reason for this is that the URL has https:// at the beginning. Now if we enter http:// then this will come. Here it shows not secure. The reason for this is that our website URL is in HTTP mode. To secure it, we need to change it to HTTPS mode. To change from HTTP to HTTPS mode, we need an SSL certificate. Apart from that, the biggest problem is that without the https:// version of the URL, you will not be able to log into the WordPress admin control panel. There is no reason to worry about this. Free SSL certificates are also available from Infinity Free. For a free SSL certificate, first log into your Infinity Free hosting account. Then click on Free SSL Certificates. After this, you have to create a new SSL certificate here. To create a new SSL certificate, click on New SSL Certificates. Then here you have to give the domain name without http://. Now click on Create Order. Set up name record. The name records have been set up. Please note that it may take up to an hour to take effect due to DNS propagation/caching. After waiting for 20 minutes. After this, you will see the Request Certificate option here. Click on the Request Certificate option. Your certificate has been requested and should be available shortly. After 10 minutes. Then here we will see the Install SSL Certificate Automatically option. Click on Install SSL Certificate Automatically. The SSL certificate has been installed. It may take up to 15 minutes for it to become active.
A few moments later.
Now if you click on the free SSL certificates option, you will see SSL certificates issued. To log into the WordPress admin control panel, type /wp-admin at the end of the domain name and press enter on the keyboard. Then the WordPress admin control panel login page will appear. To log in, enter the username and password that you gave while installing WordPress and click Login. Then you will be logged into the WordPress admin control panel. To visit the site, click on Visit Site. Then here you will see that the connection is secure as displayed. There is a complete tutorial on WordPress website customization, website SEO settings, and WordPress full course on my channel. You can watch it if you want. I have shown in detail in this tutorial, so I will not waste time here. Thank you for watching till the end.